Lastminutecom honest review. Pricing explain what you get for your money. Lastminutecom isn't just a travel booking site. You won't believe how much it can save you if you know where to look. Most people get this wrong by assuming last-minute deals are the only option, but the surprising truth is the platform offers competitive prices on flights, hotels, car rentals and experiences for all kinds of travelers. Pricing on Lastminutecom varies based on timing, location and flexibility. For flights, you can find economy deals starting as low as for short domestic trips, while international flights can range from €0 depending on the destination and demand. Hotels start around per night for budget options and can go up to or more for luxury stays. Most people overlook package deals, but bundling flights and hotels often results in additional savings of 10–20%. That form also features flash sales, which are updated daily. You won't believe how often you can snag last-minute hotel rooms at 30–50% off regular rates if you act quickly. Beyond accommodations and flights, Lastminutecom offers event tickets, guided tours and even spa or dining experiences, making it easy to plan a complete trip in one place. In conclusion, Lastminutecom pricing is highly dynamic, but the platform provides solid value by offering flexibility, last-minute deals and bundled packages. For travelers who are flexible with dates or looking for comprehensive trip planning in one spot, it can save both time and money. By using its deals strategically, you can enjoy quality trips without overspending.